Hi, my name is Gar. Welcome to my from netskite.com. Hi. Today I'm just going to show you another tool that I am into, or products. So let's just dive in, shall we? It's called PWA, which is I'm not quite sure if you heard of it, but PWA, a product from Anthony Morrison. So I'll show you it now. Okay, as you can see my screen here. He does PWA. He has newsletters every week, every day, every week. I think every week he has it, and also it's an awesome tool. This is a success challenge connection that you can watch and join as well. It's a $7 a monthly subscription. This one, which highly knowledgeable and as well, because if you don't know Anthony Morrison, he is the one that gives a lot of tremendous value, and he always builds a business for you, which is a done for you business for free, and all you have to do is just promote and then start earning money. That's how quick it is. And also what he has here, he has a lot of other stuff here you can learn from here. If you haven't got, this is the one we're talking about, is PWA, partner with Anthony Morrison. A lot of people are getting tons of value with this one. And also you have, let's click on it, access now. He does a live webinar every week, so it's every week on the Thursday, 2 a.m. BST time. So I don't know what time it is on Eastern time, but yeah, it's 2 a.m. So this is a dashboard of the Success Connection. What's the latest connection training? This is the latest video that Anthony did last week. So we can just click on that. I tell you, he gives tons and tons of value. For $7 a month, it's just like incredible amount that you can learn and implement in your own business as well. Truly. Right, here we are. We're on to Success Connection. He does a live every week, which I'm saying. You can follow him on Facebook, follow him on YouTube. We have Facebook group as well, like I said, which is awesome. This is from last week. Let's play it. I haven't seen this one yet as well, so been quite busy. Let's have a look. Oh, this one is about, like I said, if you join this PWA, anyone that join the Success Club, you can choose what other business that you want to implement. So this week is vote on your next free business. So he does all the done for you business straight up. You don't have to do anything but to promote. How cool is that? That's easy money for you straight away. Right, we go back here. This is the Success Connection. This is what you would get when you join. I think you do, I'm not quite sure. But this is what I am. I also got this access, which is, go back to the dashboard. I got this program called Morrison Ambassador. This is a program that I highly recommend as well. This is where you get like immense of like as you can see, I'm inside my ambassador Ambassador Club, which is here, and Anthony Morrison is doing a webinar. And look at here, we got all the stuff here that we can promote. It's also lots of passive income stream coming into this one as well. You've got the Ambassador Leaderboard, which you got all top entrepreneurs, which are in this as well. If it comes up, let me see. Yeah, see you got. Wow, yeah. You have all the top players in here as well, so it's really not easy to get on there because you've got big top players, but nothing is difficult if you try harder, isn't it? So, yeah, and then we go to Ambassador Links. This is my inside of my membership area, which I can just click in. Look at this. You click on the left hand side and you got all this income stream. You can earn all this in the Ambassador Club. That is what I'm saying is quite cool, isn't it? And then this is partner with Anthony Morrison, which you got, let me see, you got campaign links here, which is cool. And then you just go on here and then just, yeah, you can just promote it. How cool is that? Let me go back here and log out of that one first. Clear that and then go back to the PWA, which is this one or this one here. Yeah, dashboard here. It's huge, I tell you. Look at it. You can, if you don't know email domination, you can learn email. And his popular one is fan page domination, which is Facebook. It's really he done so well on that one, and so much money. And but this is the one we are into though. Partner with Anthony Morrison. And then you got mobile opt-in. These are all coming, or they might be here. These are coming soon. High push conversion, exit. Wow, these on. But these one you need to pay extra on top if you need to join. But you don't have to buy everything. But like I said, whatever you can afford, then just buy it, because this is truly is a nice piece of tool that Anthony has built. And the good thing is, like I said, you get live webinar every Thursday, and you can ask them questions. And they do a nice support. Their support team is quite good as well. They reply to you within a couple of hours, no problem. So highly recommend this one. Yeah. Look, you can see what you got. This is a dashboard. Join this weekend group webinar. See, suggested tool, 3 businesses. Let's see what you got. Your 3 businesses. Look, PWA Alpha, leading traffic secret with Russell Brunson. You get monthly newsletter, done for you club. Like I said, lots of done for you club. Lots of done for you business. Truly, you decide, because it's just a lot. And then you got Instagram business. These are all the 3 businesses that you can have when you join the PWA for $7 a month. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 done for you business in any niche you want. You can chop and change it if you like as well. So great. Hope you like this video. It's just a brief one, I know, but that is PWA for you. Go get it, $7 a month, okay?